Good morning students. Now let's go to continue the chapter 11, what is that perimeter and area. Okay, in our last video class we discussed how to find the perimeter and area of a two-dimensional shapes. In our exercise 11.3 we have to discuss how to find the circumference and the area of a circle. Okay, how to find the circumference and area of a circle. What is mean by circumference? We know circumference is the length of its boundary. Circumference is the length of boundary. So which is called, what is that? Circumference. Circumference is the length of boundary. And what is mean by area? Area is the space occupied by the circle. Area is the space occupied by the circle. That means the interior space of the circle is called, what is that? Area. Interior space of the circle is called, what is that? Area. Okay. We know what is circumference. Circumference is the length of boundary, and interior space, that means the space occupied by the circle, is called, what is that? Area. How to find the circumference? We know what is the formula for circumference of a circle. Yes, that is 2 pi r. And what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and area of the circle is, what is that? Pi r square. Here r is the radius of the circle. We know what is that? R is the radius of the circle. And what is the value of pi is here? The value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. R is the radius of the circle and the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay. And what is mean by diameter is here? Diameter is 2 times r. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. That means the line segment passing through the center of the circle, the line segment passing through the center of the circle is called, what is that? Diameter, and half of the diameter is called, what is that? Radius of the circle. Okay. Next in our exercise 11.3, sixth question. We finished up to our fifth question, right? What is our sixth one? Our sixth question is, so see your book. Saima wants to put a lace on the circular edge of a table cover. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. So diameter of the circular table cover is given. What is that? Diameter is equal to, what is that? 1.5 meter is given. Okay. Next, find the length of the lace required. Find the length of the lace required. Length of the lace required means we want to find the circumference of the circle and also find its cost. Length of the lace required. Therefore, length of the lace required. Length of the lace required is equal to, what is that? Circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle, which is equal to, what is the formula for circumference of the circle? Pi d. We know circumference of a circle, we have two formula. What is that? 2 pi r, or we can write, what is that? Pi d. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. So diameter is equal to 1.5 meter is given, and length of the lace required is equal to circumference of the circle, which is equal to pi into d. Here pi value is 3.14 into, what is the diameter value? So take pi is equal to 3.14 is given in your question, and diameter value is, what is that? 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. So what is the value of 3.14 into 1.5? 3.14 into 1.5. So the value is 4 5s are 20, remaining 2. 1 5s are 5 plus 2, what is that? 7. 3 5s are 15. And 3.14 multiplied by 1, we get 314. So the value is 0, 11 remaining 1, 7 and 4. So which is equal to, what is the value is here? 4.71 meter. Next we have to find the length of the lace required. Find the length of the lace required. Also find its cost. If 1 meter of lace cost is rupees 15. So what is the cost of the lace is given? Since cost of the lace equal to what is that? Rupees 15. Cost of the lace is rupees 15 is given, and we need to find the total cost of the lace. Find the total cost of the lace. Therefore, total cost of the lace equal to, which is equal to, what is the total cost of the lace? We have to multiply 4.71 into what is that? 15. 4.71 into 15. So this is per meter. Cost of the lace equal to rupees 15 per meter. Therefore total cost of the lace equal to total length of the lace. That means length of the lace into what is that? Cost of the lace, which is equal to, what is the value of 4.71 into 15? 4.71 multiplied by 15. We have 1 5s are 5 and 7 5s are 35, remaining 3. 4 5s are 20 plus 3, what is that? 23. Next 4 7 1. So we can add 5 6 0 remaining 1, what is that? 7. So we can move 2 digit from right side. What is the value? 70.65, which is equal to rupees 17.65 is the cost of the lace. So how to find this? First diameter is 1.5 meter is given. That means diameter of the tabletop is 1.5 meter is given. Length of the lace required is equal to, how to find the length of the lace required? We have to find circumference of the circle, which is equal to, what is the formula for circumference of a circle? Pi into d, which is equal to, pi value is 3.14 into diameter value is what is that? 1.5 meter. So 3.14 into 1.5 meter, we get what is that? 4.71 meter. So this is the length of the lace. Next we have to find cost of the lace equal to rupees 15 per meter, which is given in our question. Cost of the lace equal to rupees 15 per meter. Therefore total cost of the lace equal to 4.75. That means total length of the lace into 4.7, total length of the lace into rupees 15, which is equal to, the value is rupees 70.65 is the cost of the lace. Next our seventh question. What is seventh one? Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is semicircle including its diameter. We want to find the perimeter of this given shape, which is a semicircle including its what is that? Diameter. So how to find this? Here diameter is equal to what is that? 10 centimeter is given. Diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore what is the radius? Radius equal to 10 divided by 2 centimeter. Radius is half of the diameter, which is equal to what is that? 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is the radius of the given shape. So we have to find the perimeter of the given shape. So how to find this? Therefore perimeter is equal to, what is that? Circumference of semicircle circumference of semicircle circumference of semicircle plus diameter. So the given shape is a semicircle including its diameter. So perimeter is equal to circumference of semicircle plus diameter, which is equal to, what is circumference of semicircle formula? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r divided by 2, that means circumference of a semicircle, plus diameter d, which is equal to, this 2 and 2 cancel, what is that? Pi r plus d, which is equal to, pi value is 3.14 into, what is the radius value is given? Radius is 5 centimeter. So 3.14 into 5 plus diameter 10, which is equal to, what is the value of 3.14 into 5? 3.14 multiplied by 5, we get 5 fours are 20, remaining 2, 1 5s are 5 plus 2, what is that? 7. So 3 5s are 15. So the value is 15.70. So we can write 15.70 plus 10, which is equal to, what is the value of 15.70 plus 10? Which is equal to 15 plus 10, what is that? 25.70, which is equal to 25.7 meter. So 25.7 meter is a perimeter of the given shape. Next, our 8th question. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. So diameter is equal to what is that? 1.6 meter is given. If the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square is given, so we have to find the total cost of polishing a circular tabletop. We know a circular tabletop is in the form of, what is that? Circle. We want to find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop. So we need to find what is that? Area of the circle. So diameter is equal to 1.6 meter is given. Therefore, what is the radius? Radius equal to 1.6 divided by 2 meter. Therefore, we have to find the area of the circle. Why we need to find the area of the circle? Because we have to find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to, what is the value of pi is here? 3.14. If the radius or diameter is the multiple of 7, means we have to write 22 by 7. So otherwise we can write what is that? 3.14 for the value of pi into radius into r square, that means radius into radius, what is that? 1.6 by 2 into 1.6 by 2, which is equal to, so the value of 0.8. So 3.14 into, what is the value of 0.8 into 0.8? 8 are 64. So we can write 0.64, which is equal to the value of 3.14 into 0.64. We get 3.14 into 0.64. So we can write 4 4s are 16, remaining 1. 1 4s are 4 plus 1, what is that? 5. 3 4s are 12. Next we have to multiply it by 6. 4 6 are 24. Remaining 2, 1 6 are 6 plus 2, what is that? 8. Then 3 6 are 18. So 6, 9, 10 remaining 1, what is that? 10 remaining 1. So the value is 2. So we can move 2 digit and here also 2 digits. So we can move 4 digit from right side 2.0096 2.0096 meter square. So 2.0096 meter square is the area of the circle. We have to find what is that? Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop. Since cost of polishing circular tabletop equal to rupees. What is the cost of polishing is given? Cost of polishing a circular tabletop is rupees 15 per meter square. Rupees 15 per meter square. Therefore, total cost. Therefore, total cost of polishing. Total cost of polishing is equal to, we have to multiply 2.0096 into rupees 15. 2.0096 into 15. So the value is 2.0096 multiplied by 15. We get 6 5s are what is that? 30 remaining 3. 9 5s are 45 plus 3 what is that? 48 remaining 4. So 0 5s are 0 plus 4 4. 0. 2 5s are 10. Next 6 9 0 0 2. So 0 14 remaining 1. Again 14 remaining 1. 0 3. So the value is, we can move 4 digit from right side, which is equal to 30.1440, which is equal to rupees 30.14. So rupees 30.14 is the total cost of polishing the circular tabletop. So how to find this? First, diameter of the circular tabletop is 1.6 meter is given. We have to find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop. So we need to find what is that area of the circle. So diameter is 1.6 meter. Therefore radius equal to this 1.6 divided by 2 meter. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square. We know the value of pi is 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. The value is what is that? 2.0096 meter square. So 2.0096 meter square is the area of the circle. So given cost of polishing a circular tabletop is rupees 15. So cost of polishing a circular tabletop is rupees 15 per meter square is given. Therefore total cost of polishing equal to, we have to find the area of the circle multiplied by this 15, which is equal to rupees 30.14 is the total cost of polishing a circular tabletop. Next, our ninth one. So what is ninth question? Sazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter. So a wire of length 44 centimeter is given and bent it in the shape of a circle. So and bent it in the shape of a circle. Find the radius of this circle. So ninth one. A wire is in the shape of a circle. So circumference of a circle is equal to what is that? 44 centimeter is given, because a wire is in the length of 44 centimeter which is in the shape of a circle. So circumference of a circle is equal to 44 centimeter. We need to find the radius of the circle, which implies, what is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to what is that? 44 centimeter. Implies that 2 into the value of pi is what is that? 22 by 7. into r is equal to 44 centimeter, which is equal to, so we keep the value r in left side and 22 by 7. So right side value is 44 into this 2 is transposing to what is that 1 by 2 and 22 by 7 is transposing to what is that 7 by 22. So 22 by 7 is transposing to right side became a reciprocal and 2 is transposing to right side also became a reciprocal 1 by 2. So here 1 2s are 2, 22 2s are 44. So this 22 and 22 cancel, which implies that radius of the circle is what is that 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Next, also find its area. Also find the area of the circle. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to, what is the formula for area of the circle? Pi r square, which is equal to pi value is 22 by 7, r square value is what is that 7 into 7. So these 7 sevens are cancelled. So 22 into 7, what is that 154 centimeter. That means if the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, therefore perimeter of a square is equal to, what is that 44 centimeter. Because the circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter is given, the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square. So perimeter of a square is equal to 44 centimeter, which implies, what is the formula for perimeter of a square? 4 into side. 4 into side is equal to 44 centimeter. Implies that, so the length of the side is equal to 44 divided by this 4 transposing to division. So the value is 1 4s are 4, 11 4s are 44, which is equal to, the length of a side is 11 centimeter. So the length of a side is 11 centimeter we find. Next, what is that? If the same wire is bent in the shape of a square, what will be the length of each side? So length of each side is 11 centimeter. Which figure encloses more area, the circle or square? We have to find which shape encloses more area. We already find the area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. Area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. Next, we need to find what is that area of a square. Therefore, area of the square is equal to, what is the formula for area of the square? Side into side, which is equal to, the side value is what is that 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter. What is the value of 11 into 11? 121 centimeter square. So area of the square is 121 centimeters and area of the circle is 154 centimeters square. Therefore, which shape encloses more area? Since 154, that means area of the square is greater than area of the circle is 154, which is greater than the area of the square 121. So therefore, circle encloses more area. Here, which shape encloses more area? We know 154 is greater than 121. Therefore, the area of a circle encloses more area. Next, your 10th question is your homework sum. What is 11th one? 11th one, a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of aluminium sheet. So, a square piece of aluminium sheet of side, what is that? 6 cm is given. Here, a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from the square sheet. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from the aluminum sheet. Next, what is the area left over the aluminum sheet? We have to find the remaining area. We have to find the area left over the aluminum sheet. So how to find this? Here, area of the square is equal to, what is the formula for area of the square? Side into side, which is equal to, so side value is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter, which is equal to, what is the value? 6 6 are 36 centimeter square. Next, we have to find what is that area of circle. Next, area of the circle is equal to, what is the formula for area of the circle? Pi r square, which is equal to, pi value is 3.14. So radius value is, what is that? 2 into 2. So radius value is 2 is given. So 2 into 2, which is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 4. So here 4 4s are 16, remaining 1. 1 4s are 4 plus 1, what is that? 5. So 3 4s are 12. So the value is 12.56 centimeter square. So area of the square is equal to 36 centimeter square and area of the circle is equal to 12.56 centimeter square. We have to find the remaining area of the aluminum sheet. Therefore, remaining area is equal to, we can subtract the area of the square minus area of the circle from the area of the square. So area of a square value is, what is that? 36 minus 12.56, which is equal to, what is the value of 36 minus 12.56? 36.00. We can subtract the value from 12.56. So the value is 4 and 5 minus 2, what is that? 3, here 2. So 23.44. 23.44 centimeter square. So how to find this? A square sheet of side 6 centimeter is given. So a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from the square sheet. So we have to find the remaining area of the square. Here area of the square is equal to 6 into 6, that means side into side. What is that? 36 centimeter square. Next we have to find the area of the circle. What is the formula for area of the circle? Pi r square. So pi value is 3.14 into r square value is 2 into 2. So the value is 12.56 centimeter square. We have to find the remaining area of the square. So remaining area of the square, how to find this? Area of the square, that means 36 minus area of the circle 12.56. So the value is 23.44 centimeter square. Next, our 12th question. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. 12th one. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is equal to, what is that? 31.4 centimeter. So which is given. Next, find the radius of the circle. Find the radius and the area of the circle. So in our bracket value, take pi is equal to 3.14. So we have to find the radius of the circle. Implies that circumference of a circle is equal to 31.4, which implies, what is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. which is equal to 31.4 centimeter. Implies that, so the value of 2 pi r is 2 into 3.14 into r is equal to what is that? 31.4 centimeter, which implies, so radius equal to 31.4 divided by this 2 into 3.14 transposing to right side became a division, 2 into 3.14, which is equal to, so how to find this? The numerator value is 31.4 and the denominator value is 3.14 is given. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 10. 31.4 multiplied by 100. So because decimal denominator value we have 2 digit after the decimal. So 2 into 3.14 into 100 centimeter. So r is equal to, how to find this? 31.4 multiplied by 100, we get what is that? 3140. What is denominator value? 2 into 3.14 multiplied by 100, we get 2 into 3.14 multiplied by 100, 314 centimeter. So 1 times 314 and multiplied by 10 times. So radius equal to 10 by 2 value is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is the radius of the circle. So what is our question? The circumference of a circle is given. The value of a circumference of a circle is given. We have to find the radius and also find the area of the circle. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to what is that? Pi r square, which is equal to pi value is 3.14, r square value is what is that? 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So 3.14 multiplied by 5 5s are what is that? 25. So 3.14 multiplied by 25 we get 4 5s are 20 remaining 2, 1 5s are 5 plus 2 what is that? 7, 3 5s are 15. So next value is 8, 2 and 6, 0, 15 remaining 1, 8 and 7, which is equal to what is that? 7850. So we can move 2 digit from right side. 78.50 centimeter square is the area of the circle. Next our 14th question is your homework sum. Next, what is 15.1? Find the circumference of the inner and the outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. So here a circle is given and the length of this path is what is that? 10 meter, and this total radius of the outer circle what is that? 19 meter. We have to find what is that? Find the circumference of the inner and the outer circle. First, radius of the outer circle. Radius of the outer circle is equal to, what is the radius of the outer circle is given? So 19 meter. Radius of the outer circle is 19 meter is given. Therefore, we have to find circumference. Circumference of the outer circle. Circumference of the outer circle is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into, the pi value is given in 3.14, 2 into 3.14 into 19, which is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 2 into 19, what is that? 38. So what is the value of 3.14 into 38? We have 3.14 multiplied by 38. 4 8 are 32, remaining 3. So 1 8 are 8 plus 3, what is the 11, remaining 1. 3 8 are 24 plus 1, what is that? 25. Next 4 3s are 12, remaining 1. 1 3s are 3 plus 1, what is that? 4. Next 3 3s are 9. So 2, 3, 9 and 11. So the value is 119.32. 119.32 meter is the circumference of the outer circle. Next we have to find circumference of the inner circle. Next, radius of the inner circle. First we have to find radius of the inner circle, which is equal to, what is the radius of the inner circle is given. So the total radius of the outer circle is 19 meter. So we can subtract 10 meter from this 19 meter. We get this value. So 19 minus 10, which is equal to, what is that? 19 minus 10 value is 9 meter. So 9 meter is the radius of the inner circle. Therefore, circumference of the inner circle. Circumference of the inner circle formula, what is that? 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value is 3.14 into radius value is, what is that? 9, which is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 2 9s are 18. 3.14 into 18. So what is the value? 3.14 multiplied by 18, we get 4 8s are 32, remaining 3. 1 8 are 8 plus 3, 11, remaining 1. So 3 8 are 24 plus 1 25. So next 3 1 4. So 2 5 6 5. So 56.52, which is equal to 56.52 meter. So we find circumference of the outer circle is equal to 119.32 meter and the circumference of the inner circle is equal to 56.52 meter. So next our 16th question. How many times a wheel of radius 28 cm must rotate to get 352 meter? And the value of pi is 22/7 is given. So how to find this? Radius equal to, what is the radius of the wheel? Radius equal to 28 cm. We have to find how many times a wheel of radius 28 cm must to rotate to get 352 meter. So radius equal to 28 meter. Therefore, circumference of the wheel, circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into pi value is, what is that? 22/7 and radius is, what is that? 28. So 1 7s are 7, 4 7s are 28. So the value is 44 multiplied by 4. So 4 4s are 16, remaining 1. Again 4 4s are 16 plus 1, what is that? 17. 176 meter square. Sorry, 176 centimeter square. So circumference of the wheel is equal to 176 centimeter square. So therefore, number of times The wheel must rotate to go, what is that? 352 meter. So number of times the wheel must rotate to go 352 meter is equal to, how to find this? So we can divide it by this 322 meter by, what is the circumference? 176 centimeter divided by 176 centimeter, which is equal to, how to convert a meter into a centimeter? So 1 meter we get, what is that? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 352 meter we get 352 into 100, what is that? Centimeter divided by 176 centimeter. So this unit measurement centimeter and centimeter is the same value, so we can cancel. So 1 times 176 and 2 times 352, which is equal to 2 into 100, the value is 200. So 200 times a wheel must rotate to go 352 meter. So next your 17 question is your homework sum. Next class we will discuss some other topic. Thank you students.